जब भी मेरा मन होता है ना मैक्रोनी खाने का, बिल्कुल बिना झंझट के बन जाती है। कोई भी व्हाइट सॉस की प्रिपरेशन नहीं करनी होती है, टमेटोज को बॉईल नहीं करना होता है, नो प्यूरी, बस जल्दी से बन जाती है हमारी मैक्रोनी। So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here are the ingredients which we will be needing to boil the macaroni. I have been taking 2 cups of macaroni, 2 tablespoons of oil and salt as per your taste. For the preparation of the sauces, we will be needing tomato ketchup, that is 1/3 cup, mayonnaise half cup, pizza pasta sauce 1 cup, Szechuan 1 tablespoon, black pepper half teaspoon, pizza seasoning half teaspoon, salt as per your taste. The veggies which we will needing to add in the sauce. I have been taking a small sized capsicum. I have cut it into dice. Now boiled corns, I have been using preservative ones, 2 teaspoon butter and 2 tablespoon oil. That's all. Now let's start. I have been keeping water on boil. You can see that it is boiled. Now I will add oil and some salt. Now I'm adding salt. And now I am adding oil. 2 teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon of salt I have been adding. Now as you can see, our water is boiled perfectly. Now I am adding the macaroni. Now we will let macaroni boil. When macaroni is boiling, we will make sauce mix. So for the sauce mix, I have taken a bowl. Now I am adding mayonnaise. Now I am adding tomato ketchup. Now I am adding Szechuan. And now pizza pasta sauce. Now I will mix them all together. Now our sauce mix is ready. The time my macaroni is boiling, I will keep my sauce in refrigerator for at least 10 minutes. It is necessary step which we will be needing to follow, and we will also add starch water when we will cook our sauce. I will tell you later what is starch water. We will check if our macaroni is boiled. So what we are doing is we are taking a knife, one side is sharp and other is not. So we are taking the other one and we will try to cut it out. As you can see, it easily gets cut. So that means our macaroni is boiled. So before switching off the gas, we will do is we will take a katori. I am just taking a small sized katori. This is my small sized katori. Now I will dip into water and take some water. This is called starch water. We will be needing it afterwards. Now our macaroni is boiled. I will switch off the gas. And now we will drain it. Drained our macaroni, and after draining I washed it from cold water. Now we will start with procedure of making whole macaroni. Starting with the procedure. So now I will switch on with the stove. Now I am adding oil. And you can do is, if you are not having pizza sauce, so you can also use Szechuan and mayonnaise. That will also taste good. Flame is high. We will let the oil heat, And if you will not keep the sauce in refrigerator, your flavors will not enhance, or it will just taste like a sauce or just mayonnaise. So it is necessary to keep it in refrigerator. Now I am adding butter. We will let butter boil. We will let butter melt. Never add butter alone because it burns off. Always add it with a bit of oil. Now I will add capsicum. Now I will add corn. We need our vegetables to be crunchy. So now I am adding pizza seasoning, black pepper and salt. Now I am adding this RS mix sauce mix. Now we will let it cook for some time. I am covering it just for 2 minutes. Now our sauce is cooked for 2 minutes. Now I am adding starch water in it. Starch water makes our sauce creamy and flavorful. Now I am adding my macaroni. Now we will cover it and we'll keep the flame low and cook it for 2 minutes. Now our yummy macaroni is ready. I am switching off the gas. Can't wait to have it. Yummy. Wow, it is ready. Now I cannot wait to have it. Tempting. What a creamy texture.
Wow, it looks so delicious.
So now our macaroni is ready. I hope you liked it. If you like, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye. Thank you. We'll meet in next video. Bye.